Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, Real Life, and I am here with entry number 32. Can you guess who this might come from? If you've been around on her channel any length of time, you know this entry comes from Miss Buzzinwith Vee. I can't show you the front, but she's got it cute, and I love this little box. It's not all taped up, and it made it through the mail, so how awesome is that? And I love how she drew that on there. That is so precious. She always decorates her boxes up like crazy. Oh my goodness. Oh, confetti everywhere. Yay. Oh wow. Let's get all that out of there, that fun stuff. Oh my goodness, girl. Thank you so much. I love the festive. And look at these gorgeous leaves. Oh my goodness. Aw, thankful for you. I do not have any of these at all, so this is awesome and so fun and colorful. I love that. Home sweet home. Look at all that beautifulness. Oh, just makes you enjoy the season, doesn't it? Oh my goodness. And I think there's more falling out. Okay, home sweet home, and she's got it in this beautiful envelope. I'll make sure y'all are getting it. So let's see. Oh my goodness. And yep, there's more confetti in there, y'all. Yay. Y'all know I just love all this pretty stuff that y'all do. And let me double check her card real quick. Oh, thank you, sweetheart. Look at this precious, precious card. It's got the cute little fox. Just wanted to say, that's cute. And I love this little ribbon. And the little mushrooms and trees. And then she's got it out all layered up. I love it. And it says hello. And she says, hi, Carmen, so glad we met and hope to be friends for a long time. So glad to be a part of your challenge, your friend, V. Thank you, sweetheart. I am definitely glad we met. Y'all, she is so talented. And I'm telling you, the way she does her packages is just a gift in itself. I mean, y'all, if you do not know her, y'all got to check her out. I know I've already said that. But, wow, you're going to be blown away. And then her cute little squeaky fast-forward voice. So fun. She's just adorable. And, my goodness, look at this. She's got this all layered up. And I've got some little leaves falling out here. Oh, my goodness. Oh, they're clips. Oh, see, I had one something like this, except for mine was not clips. It had a loop up here. And so I did not realize that. Let's see if I can remove these so that y'all can actually see the whole front. My big old fingers just don't want to get in there, and I don't want to rip anything. Oh, my goodness. How stinking cute. All right, which way does this one go? These are so gorgeous. And oh, please don't let me break nothing. Oh, there you go. Look at those. Yeah, Did you put the clips on there? Or did they come like that? I have not seen any with clips. Like I said, I had one that had the big loop around. And I had used it on my tag flip. And I just love them. They're so pretty and glittery and sparkly. And now you get a better look. And there's just more confetti. And she's got this layered up. That is so pretty. I love the colors. Look at this paper, y'all. Let's see what she's got. Let's see what she's got in this gorgeous envelope. Oh, my goodness. Let's make sure. Okay, no confetti in there. Oh, can't never tell. Can't never tell. Let's scoop that up. Thank you so much for entering my challenge, sweetheart. It means so much to me. Each and every one. Y'all just keep blessing me. Just wanted to say hello. You had me 2 cards? Super glad to join in on your giveaway and glad I found it in time. Hope you have a great turnout. Your friend V. Buzzinwith Vee. Oh, that is so cute too. Y'all, I got to start making cards. Y'all are just so good at it. I just don't know. And then she's got me this clear bag. And look, she's all put all this gorgeous festive party in the bag. And look, just the polka dots. I love it, love it, love it. I don't have anything like this, so this is awesome and great for storage. Oh my goodness. Look, she has gifted me some of these little sequin glitters. In the flowers. Let me see, is that focusing? How beautiful are those in that color? Oh my gosh. Thank you. I love getting unique glitters. And there's her MD. And it looks like she has made me some fall embellishments, rosettes. Let's see. Make sure. Okay. Trying to see if... I can't tell if that... Oh, it says autumn. Okay, that took me a second. I apologize. Let's see if I can get it in there without the glare. Can y'all see that? That is so stinking cute. And it has the leaf around it. That's what was throwing me off. Because it's outlined in this gold leaf cut out. And then it says autumn across here. And so I was like, wait a minute. Does it say something or is that a design? But now I see it. How awesome is that? Thank you. And this says fall with the heart. And it's outlined as well. And on this gold. Let's take these out. Because these are just too cute. Too cute, too cute. Look at that. Is that not beautiful? I love them. Thank you so much. Do not have any fall stuff out yet. I mean, I can't say I haven't. I've done fall, but not for the extras for myself. And I so love this. I want to get to the point where I start, you know, making embellishments in like a group like you do. And, well, several of y'all. And then that way, I have them ready. You know what I mean? Gather. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty, sweetheart. So, so pretty. Excuse me. And look at all that gorgeousness. Oh, and she's made me bag toppers too. Oh my goodness. Y'all just, I don't even know what to say about y'all anymore. Thankful. Can y'all see that? I just, y'all bless me so much. And I know I keep saying it, but it's just, it's just true. I'm beside myself, each and every one. And y'all's talent, man, you know, like I've said, you can see it on the video, but when you get it in your hands, and there's nothing I love more than having it, your pure crafting talent in my hands and seeing it in person. She's got the I Heart Fall, and it's got the acorn cutouts and the glitter. I think that's another acorn or a leaf back there, and then a heart, glittered up heart. That heart is so stinking cute. And she's got it on this, like a rustic looking reddish color. Oh, so beautiful. And then, like I said, she's got all this fun stuff in here that I will save. But I'll put it in another bag because I love this bag and I want to use it for some storage. Thank you so much. So much. Let's take a look at her MD. Yay. I'm so excited. It looks so cute. Okay. Give me 1 second. I know y'all hate the crinkle, but sometimes it's just life. Oh, and it says handmade by Vee. Okay, y'all. I'm not seeing any personal information because this is the back. And I'm going to show you this so that y'all can see it. Remember, her link will be in the description box below. And then there's my little pull tag, and I'll read something about her. But look how stinking cute. And look, it's a shaker. And look, those are the flowers she had. Some of those flowers she had gifted me. Oh my gosh, I love it. I just want to play with stuff like this all day, every day. That might be the only thing that I miss about being a kid. Other than, you know, growing up. Oh, it's beautiful. She's got this bunny, this goldfoil bunny with the little cute little bow tie. And she's got the autumn leaf. It says autumn and it's outlined again. And then she's got the little pumpkins and the acorn and the glitter heart cutouts that are inside it. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful, darling. Oh, sweetheart, thank you so much. And then you've seen the back with the bunny back here. And then the pumpkins and then the heart and that gorgeous glitter leaf. Oh my gosh. And then her information again. Oh, just look at it. It's just gorgeous. Let's see. Let's put it on something that helps it stand out. Because it is gorgeous. Now, a little bit of something about Miss V. Her name is Veronica. Her birthday is November 5th. Happy late birthday, girl. Her colors are pastels with gold. Her style is clean and simple. Her favorite store is Hobby Lobby. Her favorite crafty items are flowers, tassels, puff mini stickers. I'm sorry, stamp. Oh, I was so reading that wrong. That was on me, and I was want to say star ups. Oh my goodness, y'all! I have lost my mind lately with all these issues. It's stamps. Okay, let me start that over. Flowers, tassels, puff mini stickers, stamps, and candy. And then she's given me her address. And I am so grateful for that. I love that we share the same month birthday. And oh my goodness, those are so gorgeous. And I have nothing like that. And they're so many. Thank you again, doll. Thank you so, so much. And I love that she made that little pocket there. I hope you all are having a great day. I hope I don't overwhelm you with videos. After this one, I've got one more to do. And then I will be caught up on all the packages I have received until now. Like I said, my mail does not run until late afternoon. So we'll see what happens. And then I've got some VRs that I've got to get done. So, and project shares. So I hope you have a great day. And as always, I wish y'all the absolute best.